forams are found all over the oceans, and there's thousands and thousands of different species that specialize in different things. Some of them are more abundant in these areas, like with low oxygen, or have different metabolism. And those are the specific targets that we've been collecting a lot of sediment for, is to get those forams out of the sediment. Yeah, it was like equal parts, like leaning forward people, and Judy was like this. She was like sunk down in the chair. It was awesome. It was so awesome. I love those moments.
Stay ahead of me.
I was like 9 meters ahead, so I held up. I know.
Right.
It's 1 meter. Oh my God.
So this is the last dive with this science team on board. Our game plan now, we'll get the ROVs back on deck by somewhere right around 8 o'clock, thanks to the excellent time management of our navigator, Annie. Out of way, out of way. The plan is we will transit a little farther north, and this team will actually depart Nautilus via small boat transfer. So that'll be tomorrow morning. They'll take some of their samples. Is that right, Taylor-Ann? Or are we keeping the samples?
I actually am not sure. I think they're taking their samples with them on the small boat.
I think they're taking quite a few.
Yeah, I think they're taking them.
Okay. That's what I'd heard. It could change. Who knows?
Yeah.
You know, but they'll take some of their samples. Let's go with that. Depart to Santa Barbara. And Nautilus will continue north. We will be mapping along the U.S. exclusive economic zone on our way north for some priority targets for NOMEC mapping. The United States extends 200 nautical miles beyond the high tide mark. That is all still part of the country's territory, and we are still in the process of collecting the most basic maps of that region. So we'll be mapping our way to Astoria and pull in to Astoria on Tuesday morning, first thing, and on board the new science team. And then we'll depart Astoria, Oregon, and we'll actually make our way back south a little bit, down to the California-Oregon border along the Cascadia margin, and start our dives sort of hopscotching our way south to north. So we'll steam north, get the science team, all of their equipment, head back south, and then dive our way back north. So the first ROV dives will be in less than a week, but we'll be streaming on Nautilus Live the entire time between now and then. So we'll keep tuned to the webpage. We may do some mapping Q&As along the way. Also, if you are at camp or a summer program, or you know of one of those who would like to connect with the Nautilus, if you like what you're seeing, or if you're a classroom teacher and when you head back to the classroom, we have a broadcast studio on board that also connects live to camps and community programs and summer programs. So that's another great way to stay in touch with us in the next few days till the ROV dives come back.
Yeah, it was fun doing that interaction with the 6th graders today. That was really great.
It was awesome. They actually tweeted at Nautilus afterwards, and it was really cool. They had a video of it. I'll share it with you. So yes, we do live stream our mapping missions. There will be, we'll be streaming the deck cameras, so views around the ship, as well as some of the data readouts. So you'll be able to actually see the, I just want to say plume. That's not right. The
oh wait,
return fan.
Yeah, I checked out. I was reading something.
No, I'm calling the multi-beam fan a plume, so it's fine. I'm super present as well. But you'll be able to see that live data as it kind of constructs the map in real time on our way north. So stay tuned for that.
Or is that a no?
So are we making Robert a cake after this? Celebratory mud cake.
So did I miss out on this banana cheesecake that was
Yeah.
rumored?
It might
Yeah, that's
still,
probably dead by now.
it might still be there.
I don't
There was a
know.
lot of banana cheesecake left after dinner.
It was really good.
It
Hey,
is
if
pretty
anyone's
good.
listening in the lounge, set aside some banana cheesecake for Bob. He deserves it.
Now they're all gonna go eat it.
Yeah. Banana cheesecake.
What? Yeah, I missed that.
We're listening intently.
Save the cheesecake. Yeah. So the foraminifera that are super densely populated in those low oxygen areas are the target species of this research. So the low oxygen loving forams are ones that really thrive in that environment where others thrive more along the margins, where there is just more oxygen versus almost no oxygen. So you see gradients of populations and communities there. And as you mentioned, thousands of species there, some of which are the target species of this research. So along the way here, we had to do our first couple dives and actually verify that we were finding the right species for this research before continuing, which I thought was a pretty interesting part of this expedition, that we had to double check that everything was right. So we didn't spend all this time, collect all these samples, have it sent back to labs all around the country, and then have it turn out there were no target species involved.
How many total dives did we get in the last couple days being here?
6, I think.
6 dives?
6 dives in 3 days.
I think.
Hustling.
I think.
Yeah.
Unless this
Fun.
number is wrong, I think it's 7. It might be 7 dives.
No, this is our last one.
It was 6. Yeah.
Nice and even.
But we started at dive 850. Doesn't that make it 7 dives? Unless our logs are off. Our logs are off. 7.
Oh, that one, yeah. So the one dive, I guess, we looked at the site, and I think we didn't really like it. And we found another spot.
Okay, 7 dives.
Was it really 7? No.
So was it 6 or was it 7?
6.
Yeah, it was 6.
Yeah.
What?
50, 51, 52, 53, 54.
55,
55.
56. We're on,
6.
what dive does that say? It says 56. So 1 through
Is it
6 is
6
6,
launches?
and then 50 is another 1. I know how to count. I'm like not convinced I'm doing this right, but I'm pretty sure. Right? That's 7. 1 through 6 is 6, and then the 0 is 7.
We don't have that information recorded over in nav, so.
I was going to say, I was like,
Well, I'm looking at the dive logs.
We have 99 samples though, which is pretty cool.
which is
Yeah.
awesome.
Almost hit 100.
99 samples of science.
I say I don't even know what day it is anymore.
It's always Tuesday.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's always Tuesday.
The good news is there's only going to be one Friday though, because we switched to mapping tomorrow. So
And every Sunday we have Sundays. Ice cream
Ice cream.
on Sundays.
is it really a Sunday if it's just ice cream?
Just strawberry.
Don't take this from
It's
us.
almost fruit.
I don't know. I don't even think it's strawberry. I think it's just pink because it doesn't. There's not.
Yeah, it's not.
It's there for fruit.
It's no Haagen-Dazs.
But it tastes like strawberry.
Yeah.
I only had to deal with one frozen strawberry in my ice cream last Sunday.
I'm big into an affogato, like some coffee with on top of the ice cream. Make it like
Yeah, see, I like coffee ice cream.
Cat,
Oh,
no,
coffee ice
no,
cream is so good.
coffee on top of the ice cream,
I know.
like hot coffee.
I got you.
So like
Caffeine with my sugar.
milkshake.
It's hard to hear you.
Doesn't the coffee melt the ice cream?
Yeah. Wait, what? I can't hear you. It's your mic's just far from.
Oh God.
Oh God.
Doesn't the coffee melt the ice cream?
Yeah, but it's just enough. Just a little bit.
We on time?
I think we will be
Are we still talking about ice cream?
when we talk about time on deck.
We're gonna be on the surface at just about 8 o'clock.
Oh man,
So we'll be a little late on deck by a couple minutes.
bow camera looks fantastic. Looks like
On surface counts.
Yeah, that counts.
It's not what's on the whiteboard. It's not what's on the whiteboard.
Erase
Doesn't
it and
count.
change.
Doesn't count.
Board of life.
I'll be right back.
Yeah.
Change the board.
I'm gonna.
Alvin goes by on surface time.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna in 9.5 minutes. We should be on the
Did you ever
surface.
do any
Exactly 8.
night dives with Alvin?
I don't think I almost.
I did do a night. Well, I didn't do a night dive, but we did a night dive. We did like 2 dives in a day. We did a bounce dive.
Yeah.
'Cause they had some grounds, but so we brought up to check, but everything was okay, and we needed to. It was the last dive of the cruise, and we needed to get their experiment, so we sent them back, and we recovered after dark.
Really?
It was really cool. Yeah, the lights and everything from the sub. They had like green and blue lights. It was awesome.
It was almost dark when I recovered once. It was,
Overcast. I'm kidding.
oh, it was a storm.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you
Oh,
recover
wait.
earlier in the day or later in
Yeah,
the day?
we were almost going to spend the night on the
Underneath,
bottom.
yeah.
It
Whoa.
was
That's
blowing
such a
40
great
knots
story.
and, like,
Whoa, and you
10-foot
recovered?
seas.
What?
Yeah. Yeah, we lost the science basket. It fell off. And, yeah.
During the
That
recovery?
was Newman and Ronnie.
Can you
as the
imagine being a
swimmers.
swimmer during that? Oh my god.
Yeah, they were
Tired?
they were
Scared?
cowboys.
Yeah. My golly.
Yeah, that was rough.
Bob, did you know Ken from the Thompson when he was a Alvin swimmer?
Ken what?
He was a Marine tech,
Ken what?
Feldman.
Aw.
What was the name?
Ken Feldman.
Feldman. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, he was
Yeah.
a Martech he was a
Yeah.
Martech on the Thompson.
I know.
Yeah.
I know him well.
He's now director of data architect or something at UW.
Yeah.
Just talked to him a week ago.
Cool.
The vessel is facing almost due west, so our bow camera with the setting sun looks like a Jimmy Buffett album cover.
Yeah, it does.
We could bring that up. We have the technology.
That's not
Maybe.
it.
No, we
That
don't.
looks like a stern camera.
Yeah.
No,
Ed has
I-
the technology.
I can do it, but
I-
yeah, you can do it. You
I
can
can do it.
pip your way to it. Yeah,
All right, let me think about it.
yeah.
I can do this. If I wanted to do something, what would I do? Aha! Source, menu. What can I do? Which pip is it?
I think you want pip 1.
Pitch
head
H1?
1. Yeah,
H11?
that'd be your bottom left monitor, I think. Bottom left
Bottom
corner
left.
quadrant. No, I meant on the screen. That's where
Yeah.
I put it.
So do I do like, I have the
I-
button. Do
I can actually change it over here super easily.
I know, but shouldn't I learn how to do this? Mon
Yeah.
ROV pip 1. I want to
So
do.
don't press that blue button. That'll
Don't-
always reset to, what is that, Mon ROV 3 or something?
Yeah, so if I see pip H11, I have
Just
the button.
push
How
that.
do I put it anywhere?
Push that button and then go and select the camera you want to put there.
Okay, so I'll say like Argus Zeus, and it'll be right here.
Yeah, which it is.
This is not the bow.
Well, that you pushed Argus Zeus.
And then I hit pip 11?
No.
How do I change?
Go back to your last menu.
Go back to,
Yeah, to where you could get to your pips. Press the red pip button.
red, pip, red.
It says
It's orange.
each one. Okay.
This one.
Yep.
Pip, okay.
And then from that menu there, do you see cam bow?
Cam bow.
No,
Nope.
you don't have it.
I can't do it.
Well, the odds of you ever needing to do that.
Well,
However,
that's life.
what do you think? Top right?
Yeah,
Anywhere, yeah.
it's kind of a boring picture right now.
RV2 is Hercules right now.
Hey.
Aw, that's so pretty.
Yeah.
And it's a newly painted deck, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, they just painted
it's
that.
like an ice skating rink.
Maybe we'll see the green flash. It does look like
Uh,
an ice skating rink. I could use some.
Oh, since
Constant.
we're talking about it so much, I'll put it out on
Yeah,
Sat 3 for
that's a
little
good
bit.
idea.
Otherwise, we're just
So we
teasing
don't get
it.
to see it anymore?
Yeah, I guess not.
Nope.
It's exclusively internet only.
Spoiler alert, the waves keep coming.
Yeah, but does the sun go down? Does it set?
No, we're going to turn.
What direction?
Away from west.
To the north or to the south?
Probably to the north, I don't know.
Why away from west?
Because we're pointed west.
I know, but why? What's wrong with our heading?
I don't know, we always seem to turn after we do a recovery. Get underway, headed somewhere else.
Does it depend? Well, okay. This is a question for anybody, but do we recover with the wind on our bow or on a particular
Yeah.
into
almost
the wind
always
we
on
are
the
going?
bow,
Yeah.
And coming ahead at, I think it's 3,000 millinots.
Millinots.
Yeah.
Is it 0.3 knots?
No, that'd be
Well, as a matter of
3
fact,
knots.
yes, it is.
3 knots. That's 3 knots. 300 millinots.
300.
Oh, yeah. All right, I'll go back to control room shot here. I am not a green flash believer.
Me either. Well,
And I have an
I guess I
explanation
am.
for why I'm not.
Like, I don't think it's real, but I like
it's
it.
real.
I
It's
like.
a phenomena of the human visual system.
It's kind of like
It is
astrology.
not.
It's like
and
you
here-
get from it what you will, you know.
It is
Wait.
not.
Can you record it with a camera?
It depends on when the frame happens, I guess. It's like
Like
it's
a film
very-
camera? Here's why. Let me tell you why I don't think it's real.
Deck nav, winch payout is at 50 meters.
Oh
Oh,
my God.
never mind.
Dude.
Gonna have to.
Yes. There they are. You can see them in the Herc's camera.
Do they migrate up and down the water column?
Go ahead. Copy that. Can I stop the meso?
Yep, go for it.
Sweet. Ooh, nice job.
SPL test. Check 1, 2.
Go ahead, Bridge. Copy that. Do you feel happy with the ship position?
Check 1,
I
2.
guess I listen to the
1,
radio.
2, 3, 4. Check test.
keeping it slack. Yeah. Till they, yeah. You keep it tight when you're landing Argus, but then you keep it slack while they're doing the whole unwrap business. Yeah.
When I was pushing that right joystick forward, what was that doing?
Oh, you were driving ahead?
Sweet. Driving in the dark.
Yeah, to keep it right about where it's at. Don't come further over here yet. So they get it on the crane. What you doing? You're 100%. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. So you can turn your head like 30 degrees to starboard.
Does it take a long time to get used to the fact that like you're looking forward, but no, because you're looking at his butt, so you're looking in the same direction.
Yeah.
Circ.
Yeah, it doesn't screw you up like it's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, so he's getting the slack out of it. Now he's starting to get tight. So now you want to drive away. Drive straight out. Mark likes to keep tension on it as they're reeling it in. And then start walking it around. Just lateral. But keep driving out. You don't, Mark will say something. So you can turn more, so you end up kind of keeping this. Yeah, keep your rear pointed right at the crane. You don't have to drive out anymore. Okay.
Go ahead, bridge. Okay, copy that. They reduced the jet pump power, so we don't get washed away.
Yeah, this works good. I like this recovery. Well, we got it added 12 feet onto the ship and didn't move the crane. Oh. Well, you know, it remains to be seen, I guess, because we haven't hit any weather. So it's been, you know, pretty calm. Okay, keep lateraling. Well, no, just mostly just lateral. You're almost under it now. Okay, quit lateraling. You can just go hands off now. Yeah. Yeah. Turn that off. And then we'll go, yeah, hydraulics, bypass, release. And we'll kill it.
Check
Copy
1,
that.
2, 3, 4. Check 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check
Power
1,
secured.
2, 3.
Power secured.